So this is what it's been like for a month. I mean, people are lighting off. These are totally illegal, but I mean, this is just every night for a month, all night long, starting at 4 in the afternoon. Tonight is worse, of course, but this is not unusual for what's been going on here every night for a month since Memorial Day. How are we supposed to live like this, sleep like this? Our pets are traumatized. People are traumatized. I'm traumatized. I can't sleep. How am I supposed to work? This is like totally insane. Something needs to be done because it's going to be like this for another month. That's 2 months of living like this. We can't keep our windows open any night in June. I haven't had my windows open at all in June because of stuff. This is what happens all night long. Our representatives need to do something about this immediately.